guys! Welcome back to another video of Kite
and Edge
Fun Channel. So today we're gonna be solving this 300-piece
Marvel Jigsaw Puzzle.
So let's get this open and let's solve it.
Wait, before using the products, first please check whether the packing is intact or not. Second, open the package. Reassemble the jigsaw according to the letter partition on its back to check whether it is complete and whether the quantity is missing. Third, mess up the puzzle and then manually assemble the jigsaw puzzle according to effect drawing.
Alright, now that we know what to do, let's just go. So here's the picture or guide for the puzzle.
You probably missed it.
So cool. Now let's get on to the actual puzzle now.
It's so steep. We're supposed to mess it up instead of just connect them.
Basically, these are what we're supposed to be doing. This is just like
Don't just throw it.
90% of it fixed, but we're gonna mess it up. So, sorry.
Don't break it apart.
Now
that we've messed it up, we're gonna build it. This might take a week or a day.
Sort of it is.
It's gonna be very hard.
So this is my progress so far. It's just Captain America on it.
Mine is so little.
Ayan na.
I need to find Wolverine.
Focus on this.
Check out the progress with Hulk, She-Hulk, whatever this is, Wolverine, and the staff. And look at Kite's progress.
A few moments later.
Look, I finished the border. It took me a lot of hours just to complete this. Kite left his hat. He's upstairs doing something. He may be join us later with puzzles. We're still trying to form the rest inside. We already did the border.
I'm back.
With his hat. And we've made a lot of progress. we finally finished
in 6 hours.
it. It's very cool
Very cool,
and very hard.
very hard to do it.
Like literally 300 pieces.
Well, we were literally sweating bullets right now. So, hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, smash that like button, and always remember, fly high and stay strong. Wabamo!